Ayan na po ang ating mga fans na nandito po sa arena. And of course, Mr. Moing Martelino there on the right side of the screen, the chairman of Sports Vision, one of the visionaries that put this league together 10 years ago.
Wow.
10th season na po ng Shakey's V-League. And you've been here since day one.
No. I'm not sure if it's...
Season 2, Season 3.
Yeah, I have to ask most.
Ako, Season 4. Ako dito. As Basas is replaced by Simborio. Season 4, ako dumating dito.
But it has been a journey.
Yeah.
Love it. Love it.
From 0 fans.
Yeah.
Practically, like there was a game na naalala ko, wala pang 100 yata yung nanood sa atin nun eh.
Kasama na families.
Oh, pamilya pala player. Ayan, alam mo ito si Nene Ibanez is making a case for player of the game, ha? Ay, making a case for player of the game. The living legend scores.
Funny, before the technical timeout, yung talaga sinabi niya kay May, yan layo. Kita mo yung balik.
Nasaktan daw yung kanyang braso sa kakapol.
But you know, that's how good she is.
Right.
Kaya pa rin eh.
Palma, Prochina, Serafica. Sabi ni Nene, ayoko na, layo na yan. Papa, Bagang, turn back by Rosale. Rosale keeps it alive. Serafica, Nene Ibanez. Papa, quick set, Palma. Nene Ibanez with a dig.
The fans are really
Papa, long rally. Serafica, back set kayo. May Prochina. Off the block, Tinagno. Ina Papa, Remy Palma. Binuhay pa rin ni Mikmik. Nene Ibanez. Bagang. Serafica. Rosale hook shot. Wow! Ayan na. Konting inhale, exhale naman dyan. 18-10. Time out, FEU.
Kayo yung matatanda, sila yung bata. Kasi sila yung gumagalaw, kayo tumipigil. Ha? Mas matanda ka pa dun sa binabantayan mo. Okay yan.
There's really nothing much to say during that timeout. Navy is just outclassing the younger FEU Lady Tamaraws, who look like they may be on their way to their 5th consecutive loss dito. Tignan natin dito. Yung ad-lib of the century. Wow.
Si Jabbar.
Pati nga si Karim Abdul-Jabbar, mahirapan dyan eh.
No, pero you know, yun yung point talaga ni Coach Jack eh. We're playing like tayo pa yung matanda. Diba? Sila yung bata eh.
Right.
They have to know that, the players.
Well, Mikmik Laborte. Here's the quick set ngayon to Remy Palma. Dug up there by Mikmik. Serafica going to Nene once again. Oh, nice dig that time by Giselle C. Tira ngayon ni Simborio. Serafica down the middle. Kite Rosale. Hindi sila nagkaintindi. Akala kasi ni Kite, kay Nene na naman eh. Oh. Sabi ni Nene kay Janet, alam mo, tama na, ikot mo naman. 18-11. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Mary Remy Palma. Rosale. Serafica, back to Kite. Ayan na. 19-11, Kite Rosale showing us shades of what made her one of probably the most beloved players in UE history.
Oh, yeah.
With all due respect to Zane Roses.
Oo, silang dalawa actually.
Yes. See, one hand said that's gonna be a lifting violation here against Giselle. Biggest lead now, 9 points. Para sa Philippine Navy. Nene Ibanez, thankful to be in the back. Serve, Agno. C, combination for Rochelle Bagang. The spirit was willing but the body did not respond. 20-12. Upo muna si Coach Nene. Balik ulit si Michelle Simbahon.
But you know, she was able still to get her hand on it. Kaya, A for effort na rin.
Mikmik. Mikmik again, getting it down. Malabanan. Prochina ngayon, para kay Kite. Kite, dug up that time by Agno. Dawson!
Wow!
Ganda ng blanca ni Mai. 21-12. Namamayagpag na po ang Philippine Navy. Showing us who's boss sa laban na ito.
That's right, talaga yung timing ni Prochina. Still there.
21-12. 4 na puntos na lang kailangan ng Philippine Navy para makuha yung kanilang unang pagkapanalo rito po sa ating Open Conference. Janet Serafica, sa gitna na naman, Kitay Rosale. Back set, Simborio. And Simborio gets it down cross court.
Well, you know, itong FU, huwag sila tumingin sa score. It looks far, pero may laban pa rin.
That's good advice. Charm Simborio. Laborte, Serafica, Suson, Simborio, Agno, Dawson, Rosales, Serafica, tinulak na. C, Malabanan, nice block by Rosales. C going to Samantha Dawson. Nice dig again by Miklik. Ito na naman. Giselle C, Malabanan. Sabi ni Miklik, hindi naman pwedeng ako lahat. So 21-14. Uy, ta-time out pa si Nene Ibanez.
Harapan ng bola, harapan mo. Magaganon ka man. Kailangan makaulba na ganun. Dapat na lang. Hinga! Guys! Oh, tatagan na! Let's go, 1 2 lang. Huwag magkumpiyansa, huwag nang bibitiw, ha? Isip lang, ha? King, 1 2 mo, King, ha? 1 2 mo, palawin mo, King. Baby!
Yun ay pinakamalupit na instruction na narinig ko talaga. Hinga! Ito kayo yung ating huling play. Titignan natin. Jerry Malabanan. Si Mikmik naman. Lahat na eh. Ang lalim din kasi ng pasok ni Michelle Simbahon.
Okay.
So 21-14. Simborio. Here's Serafica ngayon. Going to Suson. Suson. Nice dig that time by Dawson. I'll make that a bagang. Here's Dawson. And Dawson kinapos.
So again, yung mga unforced errors ng FEU, yun yung talagang that's the one giving Navy a lot of points as well.
Well, Navy only needs 3 ngayon para makuha yung kanilang unang pagkapanalo. So from not winning a single set in 3 matches, ito Philippine Navy poised to get a straight sets win.
That's right.
Giselle C. Simborio yung pinamigay. Simbahon. Serafica. Here's Dawson. Ay, lusot kay Simbahon yon, and Dawson scores for FEU.
Pero parang nag-net violation nga si Serafica.
Actually, just the second one na hindi na itawag. So yung mga referees natin, si referee Bongking, referee Season, very liberal sa sige, gumalaw yung net. It does not impede.
So far today, that's true, no?
Serafica ngayon. Suson. Ayan na naman. So 23-15, Eileen Suson. 8 points na yata ito si Suson in this game. At naiba niya sakala, hindi naaabot yung rotation sa kanya. Balik ulit sa harapan.
Pero you know, sabi mo nga at the start of the coverage, no? One set, when they get to win one set, iiba yung complexion.
Right.
And it's obvious, di ba?
Giselle C. nailusot yun kay Coach Nene. So 23-16. 7 pa rin ang hahabulin dito ng kupunan ng FEU. Dawson. Naghahanap ng target dun sa likuran para sa kanyang serve. She chooses Suson. Running attack. Mikmik Laborte.
Who chooses Mikmik Laborte?
Oo. So, dinala na po tayo ni Mikmik Laborte sa set point or match point. 8 match point para dito sa Lady Sailors. At Janet Serafica will serve. Nakuha naman yon itong si Bagang. Bagang now on the attack. Block there by Prochina. One more time for Bagang. Nene Ibanez. Remy Palma. Ay, humihinga pa rin ang FEU.
Oo. Pero how fitting, no? For these 3 ladies. I'm talking about Prochina, Ibanez, tsaka si Laborte to be in front at match point, no?
Exactly. Tingnan natin kung ano may bibigay na serve dito ni Giselle C. Serafica, Mikmik, Simborio, Bagang, natapik ni Mikmik at dyan po magwawakas itong ating laban. So from winning no sets in their first 3 matches, straight sets naman nakuha po ng Philippine Navy ang kanilang unang pagkapanalo dito po sa Shakey's V-League Open Conference at the expense of the FEU Lady Tamaraw sa ating shaking play. Aba, lahat na ginawa ni Mikmik. Eh, di tapusin na rin niya. Running attack here from Mikmik.
The demigod.
Yes. Straight sets win po para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Navy. Kanilang unang pagkapanalo dito sa ating Open Conference at the expense of FEU. And Miyaka Lim is with our very deserving Shakey's player of the game.
Kala ko nga si Coach Nene na, pero ito talaga si Mick Laborte scored 12 points and 7 of that is coming from attack. Now, Mick, ano ba yung ginawa nyo in today's game na hindi nyo nagawa in the few games na natalo kayo?
Number 1, focus lang sa game. At the same time, nag-gel na kami kahit papano. Puro Navy na rin eh. Kaya maganda talaga.
Meron pa kayong susunod na games leading up to the semifinals and the quarterfinals. Ano pa pwede naming ma-expect sa inyo?
More training para maging okay yung next game namin. Ayun. Thank you.
Alright, congratulations once again for your first ever win. At dahil dyan, meron kaming libreng pizza para sa'yo. Thank you, Mick. Guys, back to you.
Ay, biruin ba naman nasingit pa ni Mikmik yun? And po ang ating updated team standings. Makikita natin itong kupunan ng PNP. Well, PNP should be actually down there sa team standings natin, ano? Pero PNP na lang at saka FE yung walang panalo rito. May chance pa ang PNP pero kailangan nilang mapanalo at least one of their games to make it interesting dito. And of course, the first win for the Philippine Navy.
That's right, and that goes to show talaga mahaba pa tong conference na to. So always stay tuned because you never know who's gonna win.
That's right. And of course, on behalf of our interviewer, Miyaka Lim, and my partner na rin ko, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam. Iratay now, going to Jovelyn Gonzaga. Ni Lusot. Game bounces. Single block coming from Pao Soriano. Second set, and that's exactly what Michelle Carolino does. Jonella ngayon, giving it to Tipachot. Ibang klase itong batang to. Backset ngayon, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Ay, pinadaan pa sa ulo ni Jack. Pierce ang get Tabakero, and Tabakero finds the corner. Papunta rito kay Michelle Carolina. Ilusot niya kay Soraya. Saan galing si Tipachot? Knockdown itong si